How to operate the coffee machine. First, put water at the back. Press the on button. Now it's on. Slide this towards the left. So you slide it towards the left. And then you put your coffee grounds here. So just put your coffee grounds there. And then put it back. So from the left again, just position it. And then turn it towards the right. So it's quite hard, but you just turn it towards the right. Okay, so it has to be facing this way. And then you choose and press the coffee side. And then it will automatically brew once it's ready, and it will come out from here. So you just put the glass in there. And then if you wanted to use this one, you put it on the side, push this here, so that's gonna be hot. Choose the option from here, and there you go. So you can increase depending on the levels. So switch it back off, and then switch it back.